Annyeonghaseyo Yorban. I am your Korean language teacher Ahmed, and today our class is about Thidki and Ilki of chapter number 13. So first of all we have Ilki. Ilki is reading. Question number 1. Thom next Neyung Gwa with content. Kwange isnan relation. Krim picture Khoro Shipshio select. Kidoral Hago isam nida. Kido is pray. Hago Isam Nida is now doing. So this is our answer at number 1. Question number 2. Thaum next. Thano is word. Va with Kwange Isnan relationship. Kosal is object. Mot Imnika what is. Salpada is sad. So this is Kibun. This is a mood of a person. So that's why our answer is at number 4. Question number 3. Thom next. Chung between. Mitchul underline. Chin bubun. That part. Marginan better. Munjang sentence. Khoro shipshio. Select the sentence which underlined part is correct. Number 1. Onren nalshiga chongmal. Today nalshi weather chongmal really chu u neo. This is wrong because correct is chu chup neo. With neo just we can say chup neo. Number 2. Omoni keso om shekal mandal shimnida. This is also wrong. Number 3. Ki suksa eso ummakal tharal ko yo. I will listen music in my room. This is our correct answer. Number 4. Chega I. Itaga is later on. Huge shell is lounge area. Chongsu helkoyo. Helkoyo is wrong because correct is halkoyo. Now question number 4. Phin kane. Blanks. Thoro khal go in. Khajang the most. Almajan better. Causal object and khoro shipsho select. Yujam these days. Iri is work. Mana so. Mana is many and so is because of. Because of heavy work. Nomo I am very. Papayo is our answer. I am very busy. Shil shigan is rest time. Pyollo really. Opso I don't have. So because. Nomo pigun hamnida. I am very tired because of heavy work. I am very busy. I don't have rest time. That's why I am very tired. Now question number 5. Thaum next. Kul is paragraph. Ilk go read. Neyung gwa with content. Khatan got is similar object. Khoroshipshio select. Hangu Kenan in Korea. Keshingyo is a religion. This religion is Protestant. Protestant actually is a religion which followers don't have any god. So this is like have nothing. They believe we have no god. We just came in this world and after our death we go. And we don't have any heaven. We don't have any other thing. And just we came here in the world and after that we go. So this is Protestant. This is a religion. Midnan Saram. Midda is belief. Saram is person. Khajang is the most. Man is many. Go is and. Thaum next. Uro in the next. Pulgyo is Buddhist. Buddhist is also a religion. Chonjugyo is Catholic Christian. Son imnida in numbers. So in numbers, the first is Protestant, after that Buddhist, and third number Catholic Christian person believers are in Korea. Islam gyo is Islam religion. Dung is etc. Kitha is others. Chungyo religion. Midnan Saram is believers. Aju very. Choksam Nida is a small quantity. Islam and other religion believers are very small in Korea. Shinja is also believers. Chung A. Chung A is between. Namsong is male, Boda, as compared to. Yosong is female. Mango is many. Nai is age, chokkan little. So Nai ga chokkan is youngsters, Saram Boda people. Boda is as compared to. Nai ga manan Saram is like elders and seniors. Piyul e tho nopsam nida. Piyul is number, tho is more, nopsam nida is high. In believers, females are more than male, and old people are more as compared to youngsters. Kronde, by the way, Chongyo religion, Kachin Saram believers Boda as compared to Chungyoga. Omnan Saram, the persons who have no reason, Tho is more, Mansamnida, big quantity. So the number of people who have no religion is more than the people have religions. Answer number 1. Namsong Shinja, male believers. Suga is numbers. Yosong Shinja is female believers. Boda as compared to. Havelshin really. Though more Mansam Nida, more in numbers. This is wrong because females are more than male believers in numbers. Number 2. Hanguke in Korea, Khajang, the most, Manan, many. Shinja, believers. Khajin, Chungyoga, Pulgyo Imnida. Pulgyo is Buddhist. Buddhist followers are more as compared to all the other religions. This is wrong because Buddhist is at number 2. Number 3, Chungyoga. Chungyo is religion. Omnan Saram, the people who have no religion. Chungyoga Khashin Saram, the people who have religions. Bodha Mansam Nida. This is our correct answer because the people have no religion is more than the people have religions. Number 4, Naiga Chokkan Saram, the youngsters. Shinang Khajin Kyung Uga Tho Mansam Nida. The youngsters are more than old people. This is also wrong. So our answer is at number 3. Now we have Thitki. Let's start listening.
1번. 다음을 듣고 빈칸에 알맞은 것을 고르십시오.
Question number 1. Thom Thitko. Next listen. Pin Kane in the blanks. Al Majan better. Causal object. Koro Shipshio select.
여기는 사원입니다.
Yoginan, here Savon is mosque, Imnida. Here is a mosque. This is our answer at number 3.
2번. 다음을 듣고 들은 내용과 관계 있는 그림을 고르십시오.
Number 2. Thom Thitko. Next listen. Thurin Neyungwa. With listening object. Kwange Isnan. Relation. Kurim picture. Koro Shipshio select.
점심 먹고 뭐 할 거예요?
점심 먹고 뭐 할 거예요? After our lunch, what we will do?
공원에 가서 자전거를 탈 거예요.
공원에 가서 after going to park 자전거를 탈 거예요. We will ride bicycle. So this is our answer at number 2.
3번부터 4번까지 다음을 듣고 물음에 알맞은 대답을 고르십시오. 3번. 오늘도 바빠요?
오늘도 바빠요. Today you are also busy.
1. 네, 일이 많아요.
Number 1. 네, yes, 일이 많아요. My work is too much. So this is our answer.
2. 네, 일을 잘해요.
네, yes, 일을 잘해요. 잘해요 is perfect in working.
3. 아니요, 일이 재미있어요.
아니요, no, 일이 work 재미있어요. Interesting.
4. 아니요, 일을 하고 싶어요.
아니요, no, 일을 work 하고 싶어요. I want to do.
4번.
일요일마다 어디에 가요?
일요일마다 every Sunday. 어디에 가요? Where you go?
1. 교회에 가요.
교회에 가요. 교회 is church. I go to church. This is our answer.
2. 10시에 가요.
10시에 가요. I go 10 o'clock.
3. 버스로 가요.
버스로 가요. I go by bus.
4. 친구하고 가요.
친구하고 가요. I go with my friend.
5번. 다음을 듣고 이어지는 말로 가장 알맞은 것을 고르십시오.
Question number 5. Tom next. Tudko listen. EOG Mal is continuous talking. Khajan the most. Almajan better. Causal object. Koroshipshio select.
주말에 뭐 할 거예요?
Chumare mo halkoye. What you are going to do on weekend?
1. 기숙사에서 자고 있어요.
기숙사에서 in room 자고 있어요. He is sleeping.
2. PC방에서 게임을 했어요.
PC방에서 from internet cafe game 했어요. I played game.
3. 반장님도 주말 잘 보내세요.
반장님도 supervisor also 주말 잘 보내세요. Have a good weekend.
4. 친구하고 영화 보러 갈 거예요.
친구하고 with my friend 영화 movie 보러 갈 거예요. I will go to watch movie with my friend. This is our answer. Thanks for watching.